A travel steamer can be a lifesaver for wrinkle-free clothes. And today, we're breaking down the rules for taking steamers on planes, so you can travel smart and stylish. Are steamers allowed on planes? The short answer? Yes. Most airlines allow steamers in both carry-on and checked bags. Just make sure it's empty of water and packed securely to avoid any mishaps. Can you bring a steamer in your carry-on? The TSA doesn't have an official rule on its site, but I dug around and found some solid info on X. According to it AskTSA, handheld steamers are good to go in carry-ons as long as they're empty. So, feel free to pack one in your carry-on for a quick fix on arrival. Size matters. While the TSA won't stop you because of the size, your airline might. Make sure your steamer is compact enough to fit in your carry-on without breaking their size and weight limits. Can you bring a steamer in checked luggage? Got a bigger steamer? Then checked luggage is the way to go. Just remember, your steamer could be inspected by security. To prevent damage, pack it well, place it in the middle of your suitcase and wrap it with clothes for extra cushioning. Traveling with a steamer on international flights. Planning to fly internationally? The good news is, most countries have similar rules about steamers. Keep it accessible in case security needs to check it, and you'll be good to go. Final tips for packing your steamer. To sum it up, travel with your steamer in a carry-on if you can. It's less likely to get damage. If it's in checked luggage, secure it well and make sure it's empty of water. Remember, extra protection never hurts. There you have it, steamers are travel-friendly, so you can say goodbye to wrinkled clothes. Got other travel questions? Hit the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel Closely for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels, and keep it wrinkle-free.